I love it when a rebate double attaches, okay? That ain't my fault. Look, even swap ain't no swindle. Hey, lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with Walmart IBOTTA haul. Friday night, happy Friday, lovely people. I am so glad that it's Friday. Had to do me some couponing tonight. My husband's at work. My sister Marianne didn't want to go to Sam's Club, so I had to go entertain myself. So let's jump into this haul, guys. The first rebate I decided to do was on the Flips yogurt. You must purchase 4, and the rebate is for $2.44 back. So I got him 4 of his yogurts, and he really likes these. I got him the Perfect Peach Cobbler, Butter Crunch Blast. I think he really likes the key lime pie one, and actually got him 2 key lime crumbles. Actually is what it's called, key lime crumble, guys. $1.22 in my store for a total of $4.88. I got back the $2.44 rebate, making the final cost $2.44 for 4. I think that's a great deal, guys. The next thing that I decided to get, guys, was on the Powerade. The Powerade, which these are the 28 fluid ounce, guys. I got a purple one and a red one this time. They were priced at 74 cents. You've got to buy 2 to get the 44-cent rebate back. So paid $1.48 for the 2 in the store. I got back the 44-cent rebate, making the final cost be $1.04 for the 2. My son Alex is probably gonna drink these. Let's sit those right there. The next thing I got, guys, because y'all know I am prepping. Next rebate I decided to get, guys, was on the no yolks, okay? The no yolks were priced $1.78 in my store. No coupon, but there is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate. So I got back 50 cents. I paid $1.78, $1.28, the final cost for the no yolks. This is a great item for your pantry. Stock up for the winter. You can make you some chicken and dumplings. I mean, y'all need to take advantage of these food rebates now. The next thing I had to get, y'all know how I feel about my Renews-Its, okay? Had to do the deal because I got the coupon. All right. Now, the Renews-Its, the deal is they're 97 cents each. The rebate is you're going to buy 6 and you're going to get back $2, okay? So I happen to have a coupon. I had a coupon where you buy 4 and get 2 for free. So they're 97 cents each in my Walmart for a total of $5.82. So the actual coupon took off $1.94, making me pay in the store $3.88. The $2 rebate came off. $1.88 is the final cost for 6 Renews-Its. So I got Snuggle, I got the Blissful Apple and Cinnamon, and then I decided to get Hawaiian Breeze, another Blissful Apple, and an After Rain. Okay, great deal because I love these little things. And now I knocked over my yogurt, guys. Next thing I got was on the huge bottle of all laundry detergent, guys. This is the Free and Clear Clean and Care, and it's basically what it is. It's got a fabric smooth formula, okay? This is a big bottle. This is an 88 fluid ounce a bottle. It was actually priced $6.97 in my store, guys. Have a $2 all coupon that worked with this deal, guys. So that was in the, well, it's gonna be in the 10/18 Retail Me Not. You guys know I get my coupons early from time to time. So I had to pay $4.97 in the store. I got back the $2 rebate, making the final cost be $2.97 for this huge bottle of laundry detergent. Great deal. Let's sit it right there since it won't shake my desk. He's too big. The next thing I got, guys, was on the Ajax dishwashing liquid. Okay, $1.67 in my store. I did not have a coupon for this, but there is a 40-cent IBOTTA rebate. So I had to pay $1.67. I got my 40-cent back. So $1.27 for the Ajax. I'm okay with that price because I don't have an overabundance of dishwashing liquid. Plus, I will put this in a bundle from time to time, okay? I sold 2 bundles this week to my children. I told you guys, I haven't really been consistently selling bundles. Okay, the next thing I got was on the Dove Men Plus Care hair care product. All right, this is the shampoo, thick and strong. This is actually a shampoo plus conditioner. I got this for my husband because he does use this product. And of course, it smells good. It's Dove Men Plus Care. I mean, really. $4.34 in my store. There is a $2 coupon actually in the October Unilever. Remember, guys, I did the insert preview for that. So I've already showed you what's in it. So I will link that video above so you guys can go watch it if you want to see what coupons are expected for Sunday, okay? The 18th. Now, $2 off, so I paid $2.34 in store, got back a $1 rebate, making the final cost be $1.34. I think that's a pretty good deal, guys. The next thing that I got was on the Listerine Ready Tabs. I like to get these little things. They're a good little stocking stuffer, guys. Remember that video I'm going to do. So I think this is a great item. And plus, I just like to have these, you know, in my purse, in my car, whatever. They're priced $2.97. I actually printed a $1 Listerine coupon today from coupons.com. So I paid $1.97 in the store. I got back $1 rebate, making the final cost 97 cents for the 8-pack of the Listerine Ready Tabs. I'm good with that. Good with that. The last rebate, guys, is on my Kraft mac and cheese, okay? It's food. It's a good prepper item. And I add cheese to it. So, you know, this ain't your kitty kind of macaroni we doing over here. I add cheese to mine. Yeah. Sometime, if you want to get real good, you can add your little egg, slide it in the oven, and, you know, you might can fool somebody with it. 98 cents for the Kraft mac and cheese. No coupon, guys, but there is a rebate for 20 cents, making it be 78 cents. I'm just saying, this is what you got to think. Stock up, prepping for the winter, all right? These are food items. If you don't have paper coupons for them, at least do the daggum rebate, okay? And you could do it multiple times so you can have you multiple boxes of your Kraft mac and cheese. I'm just saying. Or you know, yolks or whatever. But y'all know my strategy. Okay, this is what I do. I do the rebate one time. I let it reset. Then I do it again. Because I'll go back. Hopefully some of these will reset. I can go back and do it tomorrow and get my weekend warrior. Because I think for my weekend warrior, I think they want me to do like 15 rebates or whatever. So let's jump into the cost. Guys, let's see. Okay, everything in store after coupons, I had to pay $23.95. Of course, I used IBOTTA money. Hopefully you guys got some IBOTTA money that you're rolling into your deals as well. All right. Now, the total of my actual rebates was $9.48. But let me tell you the thing that happened when I went and scanned my receipt. There's actually 2 all rebates that are attaching to this particular product, okay? So and I'm going to show you the picture so you see which ones. It actually attached to 2 of the all rebates. So ham sandwich, even swap ain't no swindle. I didn't tell them to give me an extra $2. I took my extra $2, okay? So instead of me getting back $9.48, I actually got back $11.48, guys. I got back $11.48 plus I got back 50 cents because I hit my Dove Men Plus Care bonus, because I had, I had been doing the body wash. So apparently I had a 50 cent bonus. But also make sure that you always check your any items, guys, because there are 2 rebates that are any items giving you back an additional 10 cents. 10 cents now. Pennies makes dollars, okay? So you get back 10 cents for any yogurt, and I had a 10 cent for any laundry. So I didn't initially realize it, guys. So once I was going to scan my other receipt, because I purchased items that were not included in this coupon haul, just things that I needed for my house. I needed to get my husband some vitamins. I needed to get some juice. So I needed to get some tomatoes so I can make my homemade pico. So I was looking to see, if they had any items that were going to fit my items that I bought. I always do that. And they did. They had 10 cents for the laundry, 10 cents for the yogurt. So I scanned my receipt again, and it gave me my 20 additional cents. Great, great, guys. So the total that I got back was $12.18. $11.48 for the actual rebates, 50 cents for the bonus, and then 20 additional cents for the 2 any rebates. Total of $12.18 coming back. So $23.95 minus the $12.18 in rebates back was my final cost, final cost, $11.77, or 73 to 74 cents per item. And I've got 16 items, guys. I love doing IBOTTA. love doing IBOTTA, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday. I hope you guys had a great and awesome week. And it is the weekend, baby. So, Crystal is going to enjoy her weekend. I love Fridays because I get to stay up late and do stuff, just anything, anything that I want to do. Play in my planner, clean my house. I don't have to go to work in the morning. So I can stay up all night if I want to. I'm like a little kid. I don't have to go to school tomorrow, so I can stay up late. No, go to bed. That's it, guys. Remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.